So hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to unbox something really very awesome. So do you know what we are going to unbox? Oh, I have an idea. You would have seen it in the thumbnail, right? So let's see what it was. It is HP Pavilion gaming laptop. So here it is. Here it is, our laptop. So you already know the name, and actually this laptop is the best budget gaming laptop. So this is one point about this laptop. There are many points to learn about this laptop, so that we'll be learning a little bit forward of the video. So before learning those things, let's just start unboxing it. So let's just start unboxing it. So here is our gaming laptop. It's really very awesome. Let's just take it out. Keep it a little bit away. So it's with the cushions because the laptop won't get any damage. And here is the user manual. So it's all about this laptop. And about these. Let's see. Here is the power cord of this laptop, and so here we even get a power adapter. It's a 150 watt power adapter. So here you can see. Here it is. And now, without wasting our time, let's check about this one. So now let's open it up. So first let's remove the cushions. Here we have our laptop. So you can see it has a purple finishing of HP written over here, and it has a Pavilion branding over here at the side, and at the back Pavilion in a nice design. You can see there are at the back side there are many power intake vents too. So its design is really very nice. So it's look like a gaming beast or a gaming monster. So let's just check it out. So now you can see at the left side there is a charging port and a USB type A 2.0 port. Okay, so at the right side we have a memory card, headphones jack, USB type C with 5 GB and super speed, and we have RJ45 LAN port, an indicator, and USB type A3 and HDMI port. So now we have opened our laptop. There are some configurations which we have completed, and now we have updated it also. There were some updates on Windows 10, so we did them also. So now let's on our laptop. So here it is. Last time we opened it, so we did all the configurations. So now you can see our laptop is actually like we have opened it up. So now let's press the on button, which is somewhere over here. You can just at least wait for 1 minute or like 30 seconds something, and then your laptop will come to your page. Now let me tell you what are this laptop specifications. So these laptop specifications are: it has a Ryzen 5 3550H, it has an NVIDIA GTX 1650, an 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz, and 1TB hard disk. And this laptop is easily available on Amazon or Flipkart for 50,000. Now, as as I showed you, it has even a speaker grill somewhere over here. So if you are using this laptop, a loud noise you can hear with clarity. So now it has even a 60 Hz panel anti-glare display with 250 nit brightness of 45% anti-cirrus. Even it has an SSD panel and 2 RAM panel. It can normally work for 3 hours, but if you on the battery saver, it can at least reach to 4 to 5 hours. But gaming laptops have this battery issues, so please consider it. Design, its design is really very nice. So now our laptop is just being on. So let's see it. So now our laptop has been opened. So now let's type our pin and go forward. So let me type my pin. So here I've typed my pin, and you can see here is our new laptop open. So now let me show you a game testing on this. My favorite game, Roblox. So I'm just gonna play that for you and show you. So now let's play it. So here is our game, Roblox. So let's just on it. So you can just on it like this. Even you can go to Microsoft or Google Edge, and from there it will just lead you. So let's just see it. So first I'll just open Microsoft Edge. Here it is. First you will see a white screen for a little time, like 5 seconds and something. After that it will roll. So you can there just type Roblox, and as you type Roblox, you'll get the home page here. So let's just have it testing. So the game I'm just playing is Tower of Misery. It's a little small testing of games. So like, is there any lag in this, or like something happens or something? So let's check it, open it up, and let's see if it lags or not, because this is a nice gaming laptop. So let's just see it up. So now it's just being loaded. So now you can see we are in the game. So actually it's really very perfect, normal, as it doesn't lag. It's really powerful and nice. So like this you can just play games in this very easily. In some games it shows the FPS of the games. So like this it will just show you the FPS. So you can just play any game. This is Roblox. Not only Roblox, you can just play any game you like. So you can see it doesn't lag. So it's really perfect. So I hope you liked it, and you can even buy this laptop from the link in description. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.